All right, so we're going to talk today a little bit about the Terraform backend, how to make it remote and local. So here I'm in my GCP project. I created a project called Remote Backend 2. In the Cloud Shell here, I went ahead and downloaded the repository, and I'm going to go ahead and set up the environment variables here, setting up Terraform as I would normally do. And I'm telling it to use the backend. But one of the differences here is I'm actually going to go on the command line and create an actual bucket. And this is the bucket that's contained within the project. And that second command that I pasted in was telling Terraform to use that bucket as location for storing the state file. And so I terraformed init, and indeed what that did was it came here and I supplied it with additional variables on the command line to set up Terraform. So now the Terraform knows that it should go to the bucket to store the data and where to do it. And indeed, if I come here to the bucket for the project, I see a new bucket and I can actually come here and see the state file. So now I'm going to go ahead and do a Terraform plan. It's going to compare the state file that's stored against what is actually in the project, Terraform apply. It's going to go and try to make the changes. One of the really nice things also about this is that the lock file is going to be stored in the bucket, so that if somebody else on another team is trying to make changes at the same time that I am, they won't be able to. And you can see that lock file there. So this is really useful for being able to have one code base power multiple projects. You could just change the environment variables and have the same Terraform code base be able to set up several projects. It's also very useful to have several humans work on one project. And if you don't like any of this stuff, you can go ahead and just change that backend equals GCS to backend equals local, and you're in business.